Hello, general math students. Today we're going to talk about the February 8th through 12th general math assignments. So I kind of reorganized everything. You will notice a 5.2 to 5.3 folder, which now has everything in it up until the 5.1, 5.3 quiz. It's all put together. I'm going to talk about the grade book in a little bit, but that leaves your assignments from last week. This one is from last week, and I'm going to talk about that when I talk about the grade book. But here are your 3 assignments for this week. Number 1, you need to watch this video before you come to your scheduled Google Meet. Then you have Lesson 5.5, both there's a video and a practice in Go Formative. It is on more proportional word problems. And then you have Lesson 5.6, which talks about scale factor. And again, you have the video and practice in Go Formative. Neither one of these is very long, or neither is the practice very long. So it shouldn't take you too long to do it. So the grade book will be updated either Sunday or Monday. One of those 2 days, it'll totally be great, up to date. And it'll be up to date through the 5.1, 5.3 quiz, which means you now could possibly have 3 missing homework assignments. So you should look to see if 5.4 is done from last week. And then you have 5.5 and 5.6 this week. So the question of the week is, are you ready to be back in school next week? This week, Monday and Tuesday is cohort 1. Wednesday and Thursday is cohort 2. And then Friday for you guys, there's no school. It is a planning day, so it's no school for you guys because we are back next week. So will you be ready to come back to school next week? In other words, are you caught up on your homework? And the ones that I'm going to be looking for are the 4.4, the 4.5, and the 4.6. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you at our scheduled Google Meet, and I will see you in person next week. Have a great week.